keep still doing it again. Because the fact that I was addicted to this thing. Hello, my name is Mario Gada. This is my first video and I want to share you my story about cigarettes and how to stop doing it. Okay, now start with the reason why I make this video is definitely because I want to help you guys out from a cigarette chain, cigarette circle, hole, cigarette pit. Or some of you just need another perspective from a dude who used to smoke for 5 years, 2 packs a day. Three when it's did, bro. Yeah. And maybe some of you just need another topic to see something new, or maybe I can solve your boredom, something like that, or yeah, maybe I can help you with that. And also, I know some of you have watched this similar video before. I put this, and if you want to see the difference between this video and another video, maybe you can stay tuned. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. My first video references is in this video called What Happens When You Stop Smoking. In this video, it explains about how many chemical reaction it has made after you light a cigarette, how many people actively smoking. 1.3 billion! Oh, wow. Whoa! What happened when you stop smoking? What happened to your body, etc. It's a great video, yeah. And you should check it. And the next video with the title Quitting Smoking Timeline. In this video it explained a not so different with this first one, but I think this video put it more like serious topic with the more embracing background, like something like that. And the last one, this video called 7 Ways to Get Past Nicotine Craving. This video is about you past nicotine, you know, you can tell from the title, you know, explore more references, but yeah. So as I've shown you with several different references, I think you get the idea, right? Now I'm going to tell you the reason people doing cigarettes from the start, facing your addiction, how to stop doing cigarettes step by step, linear, with the stuff that might help, of course. The reason people start doing cigarettes, the reason people start smoking, I don't know how you put it. For young people, high school young, because they're trying to fit in with the situation. They're trying to prove something. They want to earn the look. They want to look cool. They want to look badass. They want to rebel look. Macho look. And yeah, it does give them the look. Moron.
Wow.
Yeah, they didn't realize that they built the behavior, the extreme bad behavior. They don't want to know that fact. That's the fact. They don't want to know that. Young, wild and free, right? Tell me, young, wild and free when you in the early 40s. Tell me, but young, wild and free, my ass. For other young people, because it start where and who they associate with. Yeah, of course from the inner circle. Their family did it, like their father doing it, their mother doing it, their brother doing it, their grandparents doing it. And the only one who don't doing anything is the government, because they busy calculate the taxes. No, that's the fact. They do nothing over a dead body from a cigarette. And for other people, because I think because they're trying to stress relief, sort of under pressure or something. And yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but in some mental institution, mental hospital, I think they still use cigarettes and coffee for the part of the breakfast. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, put your opinion in comment below. And the reason people start still smoking is because some people doing business, right? No, that's the fact, because some people doing business over somebody's life. People asking me the reason people start smoking. The reason people start smoking because the cigarette still exists. People still can buy it. That's why. And no one. You know the song like the Let's Swipe That. You know, let's swipe that. I don't know, the preventive or no. Yeah. Okay, here's where I start. I started smoking actively since I was in college. I start with the reason people enjoying it. Why the hell I won't give it a shot? I started with the 2 packs a day. And if I wasn't in the mood, I started with 3 packs in a day. How many cigarettes in the pack, you ask? You know, 12, 16, 20. Depends on the brand I use. Let's say 16 most of the time, okay? How long do I need to burn one cigarette? At the very least, 5 minutes approximately. Do the math. 16 cigarettes times 5 minutes is 80 minutes. Okay, 80 minutes times 2. Remember, 2 packs a day, okay, is 160 minutes. 160 minutes times 6
divided
is 2 hours and 40 minutes. Almost 3 hours. How many times in a day? 24. How long we sleep in a day is, you know, 9 to 10 hours. Let's say 9. Means 15 hours active as a human being. And I use 1/5 of it just
smoking.
Even though it does make me feel like shit every time I woke up in the morning, feeling not fully fit, keep still doing it again. Because the fact that I was addicted to this thing. I think you feel the same way. Some of you. Oh yeah. Yeah. These some packs that I can show. I can save every pack that I bought from, because you know, sometimes I was outside the house. But yeah, this is my estimate buying for a month. Can you believe it? Maybe some of you do it way worse, I know, but the main thing is we're not proud of what we did here. Just, you know, I think we all need to rethink about our decision. Right? Yeah. Okay. To the tips. Okay, now to the tips. Okay, now listen carefully for what I am about to say. Here's the 4 tips to do this. Now, change with the lower nicotine cigarettes. Reason why? Because you need to let your body to adjust. Start it slow and decrease the intensity. Example, you used to 1 pack a day, decrease to 3/4 a day, and then after 1 week, half pack a day. And you do the math. 2. I'm not suggesting you by just eating healthy food. Why? Because the main reason in this case, in so many cases, including my case, the problem is that feeling, that the sour taste on your lips pops out after you eat, and it's getting stronger after you eat. That's why in this second tips, I suggest you to be always prepared for the preventive act by having gum. So many people, I've heard this before, like mint gum, right? Menthol gum, whatever. If that works for you, then go for it. But for me, plain gum. I don't know what this gum. I put in my description below. And if you mint gum, menthol gum doesn't work, and then you try this plain gum doesn't work, use peanuts. Trust me, use peanuts. These peanuts, not this. And then after mint gum, plain gum, peanuts, you have to prepare a bunch of chocolate in your fridge. Not the chocolate, but you know, like Cadburry, something like that. And yeah, it does help. 3. Find new passion. I know it sounds cheesy, I know. But you have to find something to distract you from addiction. You have to find something to fill your spare time. I got 9 to 5 job, I don't have to... You got lunchtime, right? And sometimes lunchtime means let's go. And after you eat, they start. And then you start making excuses. I mean, your brain start making excuses. That's when people fail. 4. Exercise. By doing exercise, I mean you do something that makes you sweat. Jogging, running, boxing, etc. Why? Because you need to refresh your body. You need to detox your body. And also it helps you to keep you in the positive vibe. Keep you away from the addiction. That's matter. Okay, but from the all things I said, the main core is a commitment. You need to commit yourself. It's in yourself. You need to decide. And I've read so many books, I've read so many references, watched so many YouTube videos, and then online therapy, hypnotherapy, and then even I call a stop smoking service. Doesn't work at all. Doesn't work at all. You have to commit from the first place. I'm not saying if you fail then you fail, you should not try again. You should try again. ASAP, and you need to put it down in your head. You need to write it down bold. Why? Because this is the worst thing I've ever gotten. This is the worst decision has ever made. That brought me into like these steps. It's like driving from city to city. Okay, and for some people, yeah, I need to go there, but I go there by plane. Somebody booked me a ticket. Oh yeah, who? My son, business class, straight asthma. My wife, first class, straight cancer. Yeah, for some people, nobody booked me a ticket. I need to drive with my car. And if you drive with your car, then you make a plan because it's 100 miles away. You need to make up your mind first. Do I have enough money to do that? Do I have enough money to go there? Do I have enough time to go there? And most of all, do I have enough gas to do there? And when you finally make it, it will turn into habit because it will trigger your mind to do it again. And that habit gives you a self-control. That's because in this topic, your main enemy is addiction. Justification of doing it again because you feel you have control on it. That's where people fail. That's when people fail. Don't think smoking fulfill the gap of stress release. He still live for 87. Well, some people don't. Some people live with one lung. Some people live with straw because of cigarettes. What's wrong with you? I know this is not a cocaine and heroin addiction. I know some people think like I think you're right because the result is different for every person. And I think that's all for me. Okay, I don't think you need to watch this kind of video too long. Thanks for your time. I hope this video can help you out. And if you want to support me for making video, I really appreciate you that put your comment below, put your likes, and subscribe. Oh, trust me, please subscribe. I quit my job for this. And thank you for your time. God bless you, and stick with your option. Thank you.